Hi guys, KP this side. Hope all of you are doing good. This is a DEM video on 15th of April. Can we all take a moment to remember and recall what I told you on the 6th of April? If you remember, I made a video on 6th of April, which was a Sunday at around 9:30 or 10 o'clock, right, at night. And if you remember, you have to appreciate the guts which I had taken on that day, because Friday, which was 4th of April, it was a nightmare for the US markets, with Dow Jones down around 2000 points, Nasdaq down around 1200 points. We had clear image of the Indian markets going to open on Monday with a gap down. I was the one who had the guts to tell you this, that Monday morning gap down market खुलेगा, 500 odd points is justified, उससे ज़्यादा अगर नीचे खुला तो आप ज़रूर बाइंग करिएगा, और कुछ नहीं तो निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी खरीदिएगा. दिस इज व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू एग्जैक्टली. इफ यू रिमेंबर, अच्छी बात याद रखा करिए. सो my logic and my argument was very simple, that Trump is impulsive. I've been telling this to you for a long time now. Trump is impulsive. He will have to understand that things don't work by going, hostile with all the other economies, and that's not how you run your country. I gave you my logics that he will roll back he will have to withdraw from these tariffs which he is planning to impose. So the news came in, and he has deferred it by 90 days, which again I feel 90 days is a period which they have taken to reconsider what exactly they want to do with the tariffs, because this is also going to backfire on US. So that 90 days news came in, and we got a support at around 22,000 on Monday, which was respected, the good support zone. And wahan se, if you see, the rally has taken us back to 23,300 levels within a week's time, with a couple of holidays in between. Now we are sitting with 1300 odd points ka jump from the low that we made on that day. If you bought, congratulations guys. कभी कभी केपी का बात सुन लिया करिए, और अगर सुनते हैं और प्रॉफिट्स करते हैं तो कम से कम एक एप्रिसिएशन का मैसेज भेज दिया करिए, which will motivate me to make more videos. At least I would have something to feel good about, कि किसी को फायदा हो रहा है मेरी वीडियोस से. Is it that we have left behind all the tensions? No, tensions are still there, guys. As long as US is not going in good terms with China, problems will persist. But to my understanding, even with China, end of the day they will have to figure out things and make things look more friendly rather than hostile. ठीक है? तो अभी अगर आपने इस बीच, based on what I told you, if you did some buying, good time to book your profits. Don't be greedy. Uncertainties are still there in the market, so you book your profits wherever you get good profits. ज़्यादा लालच मत करिए. And शॉर्ट टर्म में 6-7-8% का अपसाइड अगर आपको कहीं भी मिल रहा है फॉर एनी स्टॉक्स और फॉर इंडाइसेस, you just take it and be happy with the profits that you're getting. The consumer index for US went down a bit, which was a low of around 5 years, if I remember it correctly. With US imposing tariffs, there was a high chance of US going into recession. With now the tariff being procrastinated by around 90 days, deferred by 90 days. This is making a lot of brokerage houses, including Bank of America, playing positive on US now, and a lot of them are now assuming that maybe US will not go into recession, which is a good news. So the biggest fear that we have right now is US going into recession, and US being the engine of the overall economies. US going into recession is actually a negative news for all of us, including India. So any news which comes in and makes us feel that US will not go into recession is actually a good news. So right now where we are, it seems that the overall, if you see the US economies or the Indian economies or the global indices, they have taken it positively with a deferment of around 90 days. In this period, hopefully he will understand things, and maybe he will be a little more lenient with his tariff policies. इसके अलावा abhi bhi there are a lot of good opportunities in the market. Look for good shares. Don't try to have easy ways of making money. Go for the good shares and you can definitely make some good returns. uh, uh, थोड़ा कंजर्वेटिव रहिए, FNO पोजिशंस को कंट्रोल्ड वे में करिए एंड try to stick to the quality stocks. Deferred buying करिए, means break down your buying and staggered way में buying करिए. That is what my suggestions at this point of time is. Overall, if you see, I am optimistic that if things work out with China, if they come to some kind of conclusion where they make policies more friendly with China, I think that will give another boost to the markets and we may see Nifty again going past 24,000 levels. But too early to say all this. I will be making more videos and giving you a brief up about the market. But for now, let's all be happy that we have recovered a lot and probably this momentum in the market continues. But yes, be prepared, markets will be volatile. All the bears out there will keep saying markets गिरेगा, 21,000 आएगा, 20,000 आएगा. We never know that. It may happen. So whenever markets are going down, the good part is good buying is coming in and it is pushing the markets up again, which means there are people who are willing to buy as soon as there is a good fall in the market, and that keeps us all positive about the markets. Okay, so till we meet again, bye bye, God bless all of you. Thank you guys.